Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to transfer money from Wisely Card to Cash App. First, you'll have to launch the Cash App on your phone, and here, as you can see, you have the home page. Now, go and tap on your profile picture on the top right side. Then it will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. On this page, there are various sections that you can use. Just scroll down a little bit till you find here down the account and settings section. You can find linked banks. Tap on it, and then you can see all the banks that are linked to your own Cash App, and you can simply click on this plus icon in order to link one more debit card or link a card that you want to add money from. So simply click on this plus sign, and now you'll have to provide the debit card number, the expiration date, the 3-digit CVV, the ZIP code, and so on. Then click on link card. And now let's get back to the home page. Now, what you should do is to simply click on the bank icon on the bottom left side, and here you can see this section. In my case, I will simply click on add money. Then here you can see some custom presets on how much money you can actually add. If you cannot actually find the amount of money that you want to add in these presets, you can simply click on these three dots and add any amount of money that you actually need to add and click on continue, and you're all done. And that's all for today. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.